Welcome back to DK Auto Hub. Today, we're stepping into the future of automotive elegance. What you're seeing is the 2026 Mazda 6e, where the art of motion meets electric innovation. This isn't just a new car, it's a statement. Mazda's Kodo design philosophy, the soul of motion, has been completely reimagined for the electric age. Look at the exterior. The front fascia is a masterclass in minimalism, sculpted, clean, and confident. Without the need for a traditional grille, the lines flow uninterrupted, creating a shape that is both beautiful and aerodynamically brilliant. The sleek LED headlights pierce through the dawn, leading your eye along the flowing body lines to a silhouette that is pure elegance. Even the alloy wheels are crafted to slice through the air with minimal resistance. As dusk falls, the signature rear taillights leave a lasting impression of electric sophistication. This all-electric powertrain delivers silent, instant acceleration that redefines responsiveness. Navigating city streets is a serene experience, while on the highway, the 6e cruises with a level of refinement that is simply unparalleled. You feel a deep connection to the road, with smooth regenerative braking that captures energy with every slowdown. It's not just about getting from A to B, it's about enjoying the journey with quiet confidence and remarkable efficiency. This is a driving experience that's been honed, polished, and perfected. Step inside, and you'll find a sanctuary of Japanese craftsmanship. The cabin is a testament to minimalist design, where every element has a purpose. Your command center is a large, intuitive central touchscreen, perfectly complemented by a crisp digital driver display. Premium, sustainable materials are used throughout, from the dashboard to the door panels, all accented by subtle ambient lighting that sets the mood for any drive. The available panoramic glass roof opens up the space, creating an airy, light-filled environment. It's a harmonious blend of high-tech functionality and timeless artistry, designed to make every moment behind the wheel special. Of course, your peace of mind is paramount. The 2026 Mazda 6e is equipped with Mazda's advanced iActive Sense safety suite. This isn't just a collection of features. It's an intelligent co-pilot. Adaptive cruise control maintains a safe distance on the highway. Lane keep assist provides gentle steering support. And the 360-degree camera gives you a bird's-eye view for effortless parking. These systems work in harmony to protect you and your passengers, so you can simply focus on the pure joy of driving. The Mazda 6e seamlessly integrates into your life, whether you're on your daily commute or heading out for a quiet night drive. It's a practical sedan with ample rear seat comfort and generous cargo space, but it delivers an experience that feels anything but ordinary. This is everyday elegance, refined. The 2026 Mazda 6e, electric, refined, Mazda. It's a glimpse into the future, and it's arriving now. Thanks for watching. If you loved what you saw, make sure to subscribe to DK Auto Hub for more exclusive content.